cold, Mimi? Do you have a cold? You sound like you're growling when you breathe. I love you too much. You do sound like you have a cold. Where's your mama? Huh? Where's your mama, Mimi? Is that mama? Who's your mama? Who's your mama, baby? Huh? You got tired eyes? Y'all gotta stop pissing on my rug. Y'all gotta stop pissing on my rug. Yeah. I love you. I love you too much. That's my terrier. I love my terrier. She's a beautiful girl. I think you're 10 years old now. I hope you got another 10 or 20 in you. I love you. It's a beautiful day out. This is from my picture window inside, though, because it's too windy out. It's like really windy. It doesn't look like it right now. But when you go out there, it's windy. It's windy, as my mama would say. But it's a beautiful day anyway. Sunshine, blue skies. I got my girls. They're actually letting me crochet cats. Afghan. Yes, you are. You're actually letting me crochet cats, Afghan. That is good. I love you guys. It is beautiful, but it's windy as all get go. Tell ya. I hear my trees creaking. It's cold as a mofo. The sun ain't doing shit out here. It's shining. My little girl's over there eating grass that she can find. It's cold. I'm going in. She can call me when she's ready. Oh my God.